Some friendships feel eternal, while others quietly slip away. The average friendship lasts just 7 years, yet some friendships endure for decades, surviving distance, change, and time. What's their secret? Today I'm exploring the science behind why some friendships stand the test of time and why others don't. We often talk about chemistry in romantic relationships, but friendship chemistry is just as real and just as powerful. Dr. Robin Dunbar, an anthropologist at Oxford University, discovered that humans can maintain about 150 meaningful relationships, with only 5 being close friendships. What determines which relationships make it into that inner circle? What's fascinating is that within seconds of meeting someone, our brains are already calculating compatibility and processing everything from vocal patterns to subtle facial expressions. But initial chemistry is just the beginning. The true test of friendship happens when life gets complicated. The healthiest friendships maintain what psychologists call reciprocity, a balanced exchange of emotional energy, time, and support. Studies show that one-sided friendships, where one person gives more consistently, typically last less than 3 years before fading out. This imbalance often happens gradually, making it difficult to notice until the friendship has already begun to fade. Consider childhood friendships. How many of these friendships remain active in adulthood? Proximity creates convenience friendships, relationships built around shared circumstances rather than shared values. When circumstances change, these friendships often dissolve. Research from the University of Michigan found that friendships based primarily on shared activities have a 63% higher dissolution rate than those built on shared values and worldviews. Lifelong friendships are anchored by something deeper than circumstance: aligned values, complementary personalities, and mutual respect. Major life transitions are friendship battlegrounds. Marriage, children, career changes, relocations, these events reshape identities and priorities. Research from the University of Kansas found that it takes about 50 hours of shared time to move from acquaintance to casual friend, 90 hours to become real friends, and over 200 hours to develop a close friendship. When life circumstances change, maintaining these hours becomes challenging. The friendships that survive transitions aren't usually the oldest ones, they're the most adaptable ones. Every friendship faces conflict, but the way conflicts are navigated determines whether they strengthen or destroy bonds. Psychologist John Gottman identified contempt, criticism, defensiveness, and stonewalling as relationship killers. These same patterns destroy friendships. In friendships that last decades, you see a pattern of gentle honesty. They address problems directly but with compassion, without letting resentment build. Lasting friendships don't avoid difficult conversations, they master them. The friendships that last aren't perfect, they're persistent. They balance give and take. They're built on values, not just convenience. They adapt through life's changes. The truth is, not every friendship is meant to last forever. Some are chapters rather than the whole story. But those rare, enduring friendships, they don't just happen. They're cultivated, chosen, and rechosen day after day, year after year. Now you know what makes friendships last a lifetime. Share your thoughts in the comments. And if this video offered valuable insights, share it with others who might benefit.